Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June 23rd, 2022. We're going to talk about Novavax today and if the bottom is in. Yeah, do you think we made bottom in the market in Novavax? Because if so, then now it's the time for us to come in and buy the stock. Welcome, everyone, to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. That's what I'm all about. I come through and I show all my subscribers where I suspect price is going to go without the confusion. You guys can see right now in front of you that I did a price prediction in Novavax looking for the price to go down, and it has done that. It has achieved the objective. So now I wanted to come in and speak to you all as to what I'm seeing now on the chart for Novavax. So welcome, everyone. If you all appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. Tap the bell notification as well, because I definitely want to make sure that you all stay updated as to the content that I am delivering to this particular platform. All right. So let's go ahead and talk about my last price prediction, and then we'll go ahead and talk about if the market in Novavax has made bottom. Now, January the 19th, yeah, was the last video that I conducted for Novavax. I was looking for the market to go down. You guys can see it. Here it is. Like, I'm being honest. I'm being transparent with everyone who wants to understand, can you really do this? Yeah, you can. Look at this. I played the weakness into the market right here, telling everyone to look for the price to go down, and it did. Now, I want you all to understand something, right? If the market is manipulated, then it should be manipulated in a way that we should see what's about to happen. That's the point of manipulating a market, is for people to know what to expect, right? But many people try to flip it and think that that's a negative thing. We like that the market is manipulated because it tells us where the probable chances are, or the changes are on a price chart. Take a look. I did a video, like I said, in January the 19th, right? If you haven't seen the video, go back and see it. It's in my Novavax playlist. And is it just a coincidence that when I did the video back on January the 18th, okay, that the market in Novavax hugged and continued to trade around my ultimate TP price? Look at this. You guys can literally see it. How many days it did it on January 24th. It did it here on January 28th. It did it again on February 23rd. It did it here on March the 7th. Okay, March the 7th, March the 8th. It did it on March the 15th. And then it broke on April the 5th. That's not by coincidence. How do I know that the chances of the market in Novavax holding support at $70? How do I know that? Because the market gave us the hints off of the price chart. So 30% right there, 29.22% profitability. Simple. Now, if you didn't get out then, guess what? Your profitability is even greater. 54%. Either way, we make money here. That's how you make money in the stock market. You don't have to look at a company earning revenue. You don't have to listen to the earnings call. You don't have to worry about that. What we worry about is where money is going. And we were in position to capitalize off of where money went. 54% or 29. Excellent job to those who saw the same thing in the market in Novavax. Now let's get back to it, okay? Because when I show you all this, right? And this is the monthly chart in Novavax, okay? And it goes all the way back to 1996. Look at where the price is, okay? Look at where the price is in relation to the rest of the price bars, right? We're all the way down here at the bottom, okay? So when you look at this chart overall, look at this. Majority of all of the price action in Novavax occurs all the way up here, right? There's been a couple of chances to where the market in Novavax dipped below where price currently is. I get it, right? But I will say, what's that, like 93, 95% of all of the price action that has occurred in this market for Novavax occurs to where price occurred above $46. Majority of it has. So from this perspective, from this vantage point, this looked like it could be the bottom. Now, of course, there are some outliers because look, We've seen times to where the price in Novavax has dipped below 46. I get it. But we can put a barometer or kind of gauge this that say, yeah, we're nearing the bottom into the market in Novavax. We're nearing it. Now, if 46 is not going to be support, then the next level is going to be here. $22. Okay. Those are the next levels that we need to see the buyers come into the market in Novavax. Okay, so let's look at this on the 3 months. Okay, because the market looked like it's nearing the bottom. I say that also because on these 3-month price bars, these 3-month price bars right here, this one, then this one, then this one, the spread of those 3-month price bars are wide. But then you get to this current one, it's smaller. Wow. And the volume is about the same from all of those 3-month price bars right here. Look at all the volume here. They're about average. It's about the same. So when you look at the price bar in relation to that volume, this one is a lot smaller. So we're seeing buyers come into the market in Novavax. Yeah, they're starting to nibble on this particular stock now. Okay. Look at this on the 6 months. Okay, this is Novavax on the 6 months. Okay, so now, am I looking for the price to shoot back up to $300? No. What I'm looking at is the market finding a bottom and then starting to see the market in Novavax trade like this. Like these price bars right here are 6 months, right? Back in 2017. This is what the market price action in Novavax was doing for 6 months. Look how small the market movement has been. So I'm expecting to see the same thing going on in Novavax here now. Okay. Before the next breakout. All right. So let me go ahead and bring this back over to the daily because I want to see the market still if it's going to move higher. Okay. So this is Novavax on the daily. I kind of like what's been going on the daily time frame. Now, this is not one of those come in and buy and wait for the next 5,000 years. No, we do see some strength coming to the market in Novavax. I see it. This is it on a 2-day. Okay, we're still seeing emphasis and market strength coming in. But the question is, how high do we think price is going to go? See, that's one thing that these long-term traders don't tell you all. They only give you a time period, 5 years, 10 years, but they don't give you a price for those 5 years or 10 years. Not one of them. They tell you that they're a long-term investor and they tell you I usually hold stocks for 5, 10, 15, 20 years. Okay, that's nothing wrong with that. But if you think that the market is going to be better in the next 5 years, what is your price? What is your price target? See, that nails them down to where they can't wiggle, because when that 5-year period approaches and we see the stock not trading at that level, then it'll be all a guess. So from here, I do see the market in Novavax trying to go up, right? Now, the first area that I'm looking for price to go, okay, is not far, because I understand what environment we're in. This is a bear market. A lot of stocks have dramatically trended, fallen lower, okay? So this is not the opportunity to become massively bullish. $50, okay, is a probable area that we can see increased selling. It is what it is. We got to get prepared for these type of events. That would have to be my first price target, around 50. So that will give us a run up in Novavax price, okay, of 12%. Like, that's still decent on a very small time frame to wiggle out 12%. We can live with that, right? Okay. I'm trying to see where I want to hold my support line. I'm gonna bring it up there. Okay, so we're gonna play the strength into the market in Novavax on this daily price prediction, as long as the market holds that level, which is what, 33.50. Okay, first price target is 50. My second one's up here towards $55. Okay, so we got 50, which was 12%. 55, 56 is around 24%, and ultimately I'm gonna bring it around 60, and that's about it. That's what I'm looking for the market to top out. But in the midst of us looking for Novavax going up, we got 51st, 55, 56 second, and then 63rd. Okay, so this is it right here. I want to show you all from a daily perspective, because this is how we're going to track the market moves in Novavax. All right, so now it's your turn. Go ahead, you're up. Give me your price target, your price prediction into the market in Novavax. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.